how to download Automator actions and save them on your computer. So the link will be down in the description, but we go to the link where there's some Automator actions. You need to download the zip versions, not these that look like files. So click whichever ones you want. This is our actions to quickly generate new templates and numbers. So we're going to go ahead and load those. We can open them in our little download manager. They're going to be in zip files, but let's do this CSR schedule template. Just click on it, it'll unzip to a file. Click on the file that ends with workflow, and it should open in Automator. From here, you want to choose the convert to and quick action. You want it to receive no input, any application, and then just save it as new CSR scheduling template. Okay, so then you can just close that out. You would do the same for the new salesman template, and then that allows you to have them in this service menu in whatever application you're in. Click it and it will create a new template for you as long as they're in your templates, which I'll create another video on. Another thing that we can do with the actions is go to settings, extensions, touch bar if you have a Mac with the touch bar enabled. By customizing the controls, you can actually choose to add this quick actions icon into your control set and have access to them from the touch bar.